Hey there YouTube. In today's video we're going to take my 1976 crestliner Nordic day cruiser, take it out of storage, take it in the shop, fire it up for the first time of the year, then we're going to take it out on the river for a little cruise. The boat's powered by a 3-liter inline 4-cylinder mercruser engine with 140 horsepower. The boat's been in storage for probably 7 to 8 months. It did have a tune-up and an oil change when it was winterized before it was put up for the winter.
We left the block drain plugs out over the winter, so we got them put back in. This had a new battery in it last year. It has not been on a charger all winter, but we're showing about 11.5 volts on the gauge. So I think it might fire up. We might not even have to put the battery charger on it.
Everything's checking out good, running it in the shop, so I think it's time to take it out on the river. Unfortunately, shortly after we set out, the wind really picked up and it got a little choppy out. Made a little pit stop on a little sandbar island and found this little family of baby geese. Did a little fishing and a little lounging around in the cabin. And then finally it was time to head home. Right about the time the wind finally started to die down a little bit. Had a nice little cruise home. Unfortunately, all good things must eventually come to an end. Time to head back to work for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good day.